What's up, guys? I am Jazzy Denise. This is Jazzy Denise TV. Welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how I like to simply reinstall my wigs. It's a quick and easy process. I do it without a bald cap. I wash my wigs and I put them back on, and let's go ahead and see how we do it. So throughout this video I will be giving vocal coaching, okay, but I will also have some pop-ups like this one here pop up on the screen to help me out as well. So go ahead and keep watching. So once we have the wig measured and the placement right, we're going to go ahead and outline right where we want the glue to sit on the edge, and use a popsicle stick or a rat tail comb, whatever you prefer, and go ahead and smooth out that glue. I like to make sure I give myself at least a ½ inch of room to work with. You can do more if you want, but at least a ½ inch of glue. And we're going to go ahead and blow dry that and then add another layer. Now when you blow dry that glue, you want to make sure it's getting kind of transparent before you move on to the next step. And my next step is to spray. Got to be spray. I like to put it on top just to add a little extra hold, you know. And once all of my holding devices are pretty tacky, I'm going to go ahead and place my wig right on the edge of that glue. If you measure correctly, everything should basically line up together. You shouldn't have to do too much fixing after this. Just make sure when you're putting it on, you're putting it right where you want it to sit. It's okay if your ear tabs aren't completely glued down or a few pieces of the lace right on the edge is lifted. We'll go ahead and tackle that in a moment, but for now let's go ahead and make sure we blow dry the lace into place, and then we'll move on to combing out our baby hairs just to make sure they're not getting stuck in that glue through the lace. First part of tackling that excess lace, we're gonna cut off little extras that we don't need. Sometimes when you put your wig back on, it fits a little different. You might have a little extra hangage that you didn't have before, depending on how you installed the wig, and that's fine. Just go ahead and cut it off. We don't need it. You won't use it in the future, I promise. And for the second part, we're gonna go ahead and glue down any extras that we do actually want to keep. So just take your popsicle stick or your rat tail comb, whatever, and go ahead and just add a few little touch-up areas, you know, and lay that lace right on top, and everything will fit perfectly. Don't be as messy as me. Make sure it ain't glue on your fingertips, okay? Don't get glue in your hair, okay? We only want it on the lace. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and move forward by taking the end of our rat tail comb and just laying that lace into that glue and making sure everything is pressed down securely. My camera actually died after this clip, so what I'm going to do next is pull out my baby hairs to make sure that they are all laying forward so I can lay them down, and then we'll go ahead and style after the lace dries. Okay, so wig is secured, the glue and the spray is fully dry. We're gonna style our baby hairs. I actually like to use Nairobi solely for my baby hairs. I save this just for my baby hairs because one, it's a bit expensive, and two, it's just really good. It's a nice product, okay? So I only use it for my baby hairs. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little cleaning up, make sure everything is cut how I want it to be. One thing I've learned from watching many baby hair tutorials is don't be shy with the product. Go ahead and make sure that product is lathered on top of the section you are working with, and work quick. Don't just rest in one area. Go ahead and form them baby hairs. Already have your mindset on how you want them to be. Doing my baby hairs this way was very new. I am a minimal baby hair person, but I wanted to try something different. I wanted a new look. So I tried the Instagram baby hairs, as I call them, where you get the really full head of hair. I tried to do that. I don't really know if I'm gonna revisit this for myself personally. I just don't think that fits for my head shape. But yeah, I tried. Once my edges were nice and tied down, I went ahead and styled my hair off camera using a 2-inch curling iron. After that, I'm gonna go in with a hot comb and just get that line of demarcation out of my hair and make sure the top is nice and flat. And that's gonna be the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. If you want to see the full finished look, go ahead and stay to the very end so you can see that. Don't forget to like this video if you like this video, and subscribe to Jazzy Denise TV because we are lit over here on Jazzy Denise TV. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, you guys you be beautiful, and like I said, stay tuned to the end to see the end results. Bye guys.